All right, boys and girls, we just finished the story, What's It Like to Be a Fish? And we learned all sorts of things about fish in that story, how they breathe, what the different parts of their body, how they move with their fins, what their gills do, how they eat, how they sleep, all sorts of information about fish. So on our page today, you have a page in your packet that looks like this. I want you to think about what we learned about how a fish eats and what fish eat. And it kind of talked about in the story what fish eat if they're at home, if you have to feed them in their bowl. And it also talked about some things that fish eat if they live out in a lake or an ocean or a pond somewhere. So I want you to think about what we learned about what fish eat. And I want you to draw me a picture all about what you learned that shows a fish and something that the fish eats. So draw me a picture of a fish and then show me something that a fish would eat. Okay? Do your nicest, neatest work. You can label your picture if you would like. Write the word of what you drew that the fish would eat. You could label the name of the fish, color it. Think about the details we saw in our story. What color were those fish we were reading about? What color were the things they were eating? You could even draw their environment. If you are drawing what a fish in a bowl eats, you could draw him in his bowl and show the plants and maybe a little toy castle on the rocks. If you're drawing a fish out in the wild, you could draw a pond and the plants and other animals and things you might see underneath. So try to include lots of details in your picture of what a fish